Here's a quick guide on how you can connect two Bluetooth speakers of different brand names to your Galaxy Note 10 or the Note 10 Plus. So most of the Samsung phones that are flagship models can use this feature known as dual audio mode. So first, go ahead and pair up your very first speaker. You'll want to go into the Bluetooth settings of your Samsung phone, turn it on. It'll start searching for nearby devices. When you see the speaker name of the first one, tap on it. It's going to pair it. You'll get the pairing request. Press pair. Then you're going to go ahead now and pair up the second speaker. So again, go ahead and scan again. Look for the second speaker name. Tap on it. Select pair. And you should have two of them like this here, light up in the color, meaning that they're both connected. So the next thing you want to do now is make sure the media option is available here. If it's not there, go into the three dots at the top right. Then go to quick panel layout and make sure show button and media devices is turned on. So now when it's there, you'll see media, you'll tap on it and bring it down to the audio output section, and just make sure the both speakers are there shown here, and you want to make sure they're both connected. Okay, so go back here now and select the second one, and you should see them together now like that. And once they're in this color here, both in blue, and the volume controls are available, it means you're ready to use both at the same time. So try it out on your Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus phone. And again, this feature is only available for Samsung flagship model phones. All right, so that is that. Like and sub. Thanks for watching.